Hey guys, just wanted to share something with you real quick. I don't know if anybody else has had this issue or not, but I live in a really hot climate. We're here in southern Florida. You can see the beautiful clouds and palm trees in my neighborhood. Um, my phone holder that I use to hold my cell phone when I'm driving and navigating around, just one of these cheaper iHome phone grippers. But this probably applies if you have like a vent clip or anything like that. They don't work very well. Mine fell down a couple times now. It had a suction cup on the back of it. Because of the heat and humidity here in Florida, it kept falling off. So obviously I didn't want to break my phone. I didn't want to get in an accident during, traffic or something and scrounging around for it on the floor. So I decided to come up with a solution. The car I have is a Kia. It's an Optima. And it has a spot right here that you can keep pens or papers, gum, whatever you want inside of it. It's right below the radio and above the AC controls. So I had some spare wood laying around, decided in a saw, obviously, and I decided to cut it up to fit, wrapped it in electrical tape, that's why it's black, or you could paint it, whatever you wanted to, stain it black, whatever. The interior is black and gray in this car. So I did that, took my phone holder that I already had purchased that wasn't working for me, and made it work for me. I screwed it through into the wood, and now it fits like a glove. It's not going anywhere. It's not going to fall out on me. Even if I brake hard, it's not sliding out. It's snug in there. So just wanted to share that with you guys because I feel like we have a tendency to just go out and buy new stuff when it breaks or throw it away, give up on it. But sometimes we can be crafty and come up with solutions to problems that you might not have if you just didn't give it enough time to think about. So I like doing that stuff. I like making the most out of what I got. So hopefully I encourage you guys to do the same, and just keep going. Peace.